Hey everyone! Ready to explore the Mediterranean like never before? We're about to embark on a wild ride through the most incredible cities this place has to offer. We're talking ancient ruins, beaches that'll blow your mind, food so good it should be illegal, and enough history to make your head spin. We've got the top 15 cities you absolutely need to visit, from the sun-drenched streets of Barcelona to the ancient wonders of Athens. We're talking about places you've dreamed of and some hidden gems you've never even heard of. Get ready to pack your bags because this is going to be epic. Let's dive right in. First up, we're hitting the streets of Barcelona, Spain. This city is bursting with life, from the stunning architecture of Gaudi to the electric nightlife scene. Imagine wandering down Las Ramblas, grabbing some tapas, and then partying till the sun comes up. And don't even get me started on the Sagrada Familia. This place is like something out of a dream, with its towering spires and intricate details. You'll be snapping pics for days, and when you're ready to relax, hit up Barceloneta Beach for some sun, sand, and maybe a little siesta. Trust me, Barcelona is a city that will stay with you long after you leave. Next stop, we're time traveling to Rome, Italy. Get ready to be blown away by the Colosseum, where gladiators once battled it out. Then toss a coin in the Trevi fountain. It's good luck, I swear. And explore the Pantheon, a temple that's almost 2,000 years old. But hold up, we can't forget about the food. Pizza, pasta, gelato. I'm talking about carb heaven, people. Imagine indulging in a big plate of spaghetti carbonara while overlooking the Roman Forum. It's the definition of living your best life. Rome is a city that has it all: history, culture, and enough delicious food to satisfy even the pickiest eater. Get ready to unleash your inner philosopher in Athens, Greece. This city is literally where democracy was born. We're talking about standing in the shadow of the Acropolis, exploring the ancient agora, and soaking up centuries of history. But Athens isn't just about the past. It's also got some of the most beautiful beaches in the Mediterranean. Picture yourself swimming in crystal clear waters, then enjoying some fresh seafood with a view of the Aegean Sea. Athens is the perfect blend of ancient history and modern-day fun. Calling all Game of Thrones fans. Dubrovnik, Croatia is like stepping right into King's Landing. You can walk the iconic city walls, explore the Red Keep. Okay, it's actually called Fort Lovrijenac, and even take a Game of Thrones tour to see all the filming locations. But Dubrovnik is more than just a filming location. This medieval city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with stunning architecture, charming streets, and breathtaking views of the Adriatic Sea. Get ready to lose yourself in the magic of Dubrovnik. Venice, Italy, the city built on water. Get ready to ditch the car and hop on a gondola for a romantic ride through the canals. It's like something out of a fairy tale. We're talking about picturesque bridges, colourful buildings, and maybe even a serenade from a gondolier. And don't miss out on St. Mark's Square, the heart of Venice. This place is a masterpiece of architecture and history. Plus, you can grab some delicious gelato while you're there. Venice is a city that will steal your heart and maybe make you want to move into a gondola. Get ready for a cultural explosion in Istanbul, Turkey. This city is a melting pot of European and Asian influences, and it's reflected in everything from the architecture to the food. Prepare to be amazed by the Hagia Sophia, a Byzantine masterpiece that's been both a church and a mosque. Then lose yourself in the Grand Bazaar, a labyrinth of shops and stalls selling everything from spices to carpets. And when you're hungry, get ready for some of the best food you'll ever eat. We're talking about Turkish delight, kebabs, baklava. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. Istanbul is a city that will tantalize your senses and leave you wanting more. Get ready for some serious luxury in Nice, France. This city is all about the good life, sunbathing on the French Riviera, strolling along the Promenade des Anglais, and sipping cocktails with a view of the Mediterranean. And if you're feeling artsy, check out the Matisse Museum or the Chagall Museum. Nice is a city that oozes charm and sophistication. Pack your best swimsuit and your fanciest sunglasses because Nice is calling. Get those cameras ready because Santorini, Greece is all about those iconic whitewashed houses perched on cliffs overlooking the Aegean Sea. It's like something out of a dream. Spend your days exploring the villages of Oia and Fira, soaking up the sun on the red and black sand beaches, and watching the sunset over the caldera. And don't forget to try some of the local wine. Santorini is known for its volcanic wines, which are as unique and beautiful as the island itself. Santorini is a destination that will take your breath away. Get ready to party in Tel Aviv, Israel. This city is known for its vibrant nightlife, beautiful beaches, and delicious food. Spend your days soaking up the sun on the shores of the Mediterranean, exploring the trendy Neve Tzedek neighborhood, and indulging in some of the best falafel you'll ever taste. And when the sun goes down, Tel Aviv comes alive with a buzzing nightlife scene. Whether you're into clubs, bars, or live music, Tel Aviv has something for everyone. Tel Aviv is a city that knows how to have a good time. Ahoy there! We're setting sail for Marseille, France, a city with a rich maritime history and a vibrant multicultural scene. Explore the Vieux Port, the heart of Marseille, with its bustling fish market and charming waterfront restaurants. Then head up to the Notre Dame de la Garde Basilica for panoramic views of the city. And don't leave without trying bouillabaisse, a traditional fish stew that's as delicious as it is colorful. Marseille is a city that will capture your imagination and your taste buds. Get ready to step back in time in Split, Croatia. This city is home to Diocletian's Palace, an ancient Roman palace that's now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can wander through the palace's ancient streets, explore its underground cellars, and imagine what life was like in Roman times. And when you're ready for some modern-day fun, head to the Riva, Split's waterfront promenade, for some people-watching, shopping and dining. Split is a city where history and modernity collide. Prepare to be charmed by Valletta, Malta. This tiny island nation is packed with history and culture, and Valletta, its capital city, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the city's impressive fortifications, visit St. John's Co Cathedral, and wander through the charming streets lined with colourful buildings. And don't miss out on the views from the Upper Baraka Gardens, which offer stunning panoramas of the Grand Harbour. Valletta is a city that packs a big punch in a small package. Get ready for a sensory overload in Palermo, Italy. This Sicilian city is a melting pot of cultures, and it's reflected in its vibrant street life, its stunning architecture, and its delicious food. Explore the city's Arab Norman architecture, visit the catacombs of the Capuchins, if you dare, and get lost in the Bolaro market, a feast for the senses. And of course, no trip to Palermo is complete without indulging in some of the local delicacies, like arancini, fried rice balls, cannoli, sweet ricotta-filled pastries, and pasta alla norma, pasta with eggplant and ricotta. Palermo is a city that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Get ready to party like it's 300 AD in Thessaloniki, Greece. This city has been a major cultural hub for centuries, and it's got the history and nightlife to prove it. Explore the White Tower, a 15th century Ottoman landmark, visit the Archaeological Museum of Thessaloniki, and wander through the Ladadica district, known for its lively bars and restaurants. And when you're ready to dance the night away, Thessaloniki has a thriving nightlife scene that will keep you going until dawn. Thessaloniki is a city that knows how to have a good time, both past and present. Now we're heading to Alexandria, Egypt, a city steeped in history and lapped by the waters of the Mediterranean Sea. Explore the Bibliotheca Alexandrina, a modern marvel built on the site of the ancient Library of Alexandria. Visit the catacombs of Kom el Shakafa and stroll along the Corniche, Alexandria's waterfront promenade. And don't forget to try some of the local seafood, which is as fresh and delicious as it gets. Alexandria is a city that will transport you through time and leave you with unforgettable memories. Thanks for joining us on this Mediterranean adventure. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to book my next trip. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome travel content. Let me know in the comments which city you're dying to visit first. See you in the next video.